Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with another Luvme hair wig install, one of my favorite wig companies out. This is a 4C Edge wig. In the video, you guys are gonna see me have like a dedicated part to the side. So I'm gonna have the hair this way, but I decided to comb it backwards just so you guys can see another look. I actually probably would wear it like this more because I can then just throw it around once it dries a bit. I love it. I am here for a 4C Edge wig. Like, for all my girlies out there, if you haven't tried a 4C Edge wig, I'm sure you're gonna love it. And yeah, let's hop straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Okay, you guys, I'm back with another Luvme hair wig. Of course, this is a 4C Edge wig. Probably one of my favorite when it comes to curly wigs because you really don't have to, you know, like, you can wear this glueless and it'd be bomb. What I did do was bleached it. I extra bleached it, even though it did come pre-bleached. I extra bleached it, and as you guys can see, I so whooshed the edges. It's gonna be another glueless install. California heat, it's been hot, so nobody really wants to glue down wigs. We finna put this on together. This is what the inside cap construction looks like, okay? I should have put on a wig cap on. I like to put the band down first. All right, so this is what the hairline looks like before I cut anything. We're gonna just cut it off real quick and then this. I took the lace off. Okay, so I just cut the lace off. Now we're putting the wig back on. We're gonna put it all the way onto our forehead. I don't know what made me do a side part. Now let's make this cute. Because I don't think I want a side part. I don't know why I would have done a side part. Okay, so right now I am just spreading my fingers. Oh, I did add some leave-in condition last night. So this is what the hair looks like. Just moisturized. Trying to see if I want like side part, middle part. Throw on and go wig, 4C Edges from Luvme Hair. They do it for me every time. It is a versatile parting, but I did go for a part to the side. For what reason, I don't know. I love the juiciness of the curls. And the more bigger I make it, I just keep running my fingers through it and it's just like, ah. It's cute. Luvme Hair does it for me every time. So I will link the wig below in case you guys are interested. I really enjoyed the curl pattern when I washed it and it was like air drying without product. But I was like, oh shoot, let me go put some product in it. So you know what I mean. You gotta put product in curly hair, but if I did not put the product in it, it was gonna just be such a natural curl. But I'm here for it. I think that you guys would absolutely love this. I love it parted to the side because I normally don't do this. I am always here for like a dedicated middle part. So to kind of go outside of my comfort zone, I absolutely adore. I do love Luvme Hair. It's one of my favorite wig companies out there. They have the best. When I tell you guys the best hair, I love it. Just make sure you're ordering from the Luvme Hair website, so I'm gonna link it below. Okay, so I kind of just brushed it back and added a little mousse to the hairline just so you guys can get another view. But yeah, I love the look that this is serving.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.